Now Residences construction update as of September 2024. Address, Barangay, Pampanga, Angeles City, Pampanga. Now Residences, a mid-rise garden community in Angeles City, Pampanga presents both end users and investors a sure and wise choice when it comes to investing. Its ideal choice because to its prime position along Poinsettia Avenue and within Pampanga's Aerotropolis, an airport-driven metropolis that serves as the heart of commerce, logistics, technology, innovation, medical facilities, and educational institutions. Due to high demand, we are currently offering reopened units on a first-come, first-served basis. If you're interested in securing a unit, please let us know so we can add you to the queue. Monthly 13,000 pesos for no down payment. Reservation fee is 30,000 pesos. Now Residences in Angeles, Pampanga's near key infrastructure, including Clark International Airport, Clark Freeport Zone, and AliX, SCTX, and the Clark Green City Development. These provide easy access to transport, jobs, and recreational areas, boosting the area's convenience and growth potential. Now Residences in Angeles, Pampanga is conveniently located near several malls, including SM City Clark, a major shopping mall offering retail, dining, and entertainment options. Marquee Mall, another nearby mall with a wide range of stores, restaurants, and a cinema. We have one bedroom unit available. Take a look with dress-up unit.